What is up? Hello, hello, hello. What are we doing today? What are we doing? Coding. It's only very short today because I'm not bothered to do anything. Just need to do something. Yeah. Maybe I do, because I have to set up for this interview. I have to do a presentation, blah, blah, blah. Maybe I do that also. Yeah. Let's get to it, I guess. Turn the volume down. Something like that. Good enough, whatever. Okay. I need to check actually. Is this music YouTube friendly? YouTube. I want like a really shitty fucking webcam mic. Because at least it sounds intentional. Compared to this fucking slop. Pause. Actually, let me quickly mute this. How do I do that? Because at least it sounds intentional compared to this. Yeah, that's a pretty good volume. Good. All right. Oh yeah, I keep getting sidetracked. And I closed the tab. Fuck's sake. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Life's good. I have 2 interviews coming up. 2. Yeah. One for Sage. One for TEG. TEG. I'd like to get the Sage one, but they are so disgusting slow in their processes. Is there a way to check whether my stream is playing copyright music? I assume it's in stream health. What the hell? All right. I'll just keep a look at that. All right. Let's look at what we have to do. So maybe I finally do. This one will take a bit, so I don't want to do that right now. Oh no, I can't. Fuck, all of these things are huge. And of course that I can't do. Oh fuck. Oh dude. Oh no. Oh no. Maybe I just do the okay. Okay, should I just okay. I think I'll do a debug in my debug bind. I'll temporarily set it to call this save file function and then implement that save file function, yeah. Because I think that's a little bit of a smaller task. All right. What to do? Okay, so I assume it's going to be somewhere in my Buffner. So there's one way that I think is a bit easy, where I just say fuck it, make a duplicate, as in just malloc a fuck ton of memory. Oh no, that's stupid. No, I should just keep in mind of the gap and write to a file. Easy peasy. Yeah. Let's do that. So this guy, I need to test. And let's do buffer safety file. Do I pick a file anywhere here? No, it's just that one. So let's do create blank, destroy, and then I think I should add it below, probably below the destroy. Yeah, I think it fits here. Buffer save to file, and it's going to take a buffer ID. Don't need none of that. Yeah, and it's gonna, I guess return an error because it could fail. And that's it, right? And what else do I need to? I need to. So my edit is going to call this function, right? When the fuck do I use that function? Whatever. And I have that. Okay. Buffers in it. Buffers buffer. Oh, that is really bad naming. I do not care for now. Not copyright. Hopefully not. Okay. I'm probably gonna get some juice because I am thirsty. I will be back. Give me 1 second. Alright, I'm back. Got some liquid. Alright. Buffers in it, buffers destroy buff. I don't have no buffer in it. So do I have a buffer? I don't have a buffer in it. Upper create. Probably this is better. Right. Init and free. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Whew. Wait, did I fucking... No, I thought I leaked my stream key. Nah, okay. Good. Stream health, bang. Okay. So I see, I just get the file and I do not... Has no read for what is in the file. Just writes to it. Okay. Well, let's get the buffer first. Why am I not using a struct for this? Why am I not using a struct for this? Whatever. I might change it later. I guess I'm not... No, I am fucking with it, yeah. Probably change that. Edit to do. Sorry. Remove type def. Sorry, that's what I meant. Question mark. Okay, so we have this thing, and then we need to look at stdio, right? Whoops. fseek. So I gotta use these guys. fseek, and then whence. Who the fuck thought of that? Whence. So I know that there's, yeah, here we go. Seek set, seek cur, seek end. Seek cur, I assume seek set is at the start. Yeah, so seek set whatever is the start of the file here. OL, what's OL? Offset 0. What's offset? What is offset? So I don't need to care about this one. The whence argument to fseek was not the resulting file offset would be negative. So I don't need to care about this one either. Yeah, so I don't actually need to worry about. Is there no other errors? Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Let's get you. Oop. So we need to get to the start. And seek set. Ooh, why am I using seek set? Oh, okay. Okay, whatever. And then I need to use fwrite, right? I have fwrite. right? Yes, please. Okay. Oops. What is the return? Return value. On success, if read returns the number of items written. The number equals the number of bytes transferred. Limit size is 1. If an error occurs at the end of the file or the end of the file is reached, the return value is a short item count or 0. So we just check for 0. File position indicator for the streams. Okay. C11. Wait, what? Wait. That's not good. We can't go for that. What is fseek? Wait, what? fseek C90. fseek C99. I have to fucking implement this myself, I swear to God. No. Wait. What is this? Oh no, okay. Stdlib. Is that fc for C99? I know you can use it, but let's ask you. Can I use is just that I think I'm just too stupid. I think I just okay. Whatever. What did I name this thing? Buffer safety file. Oh. I must have typed it wrong. Okay. What was it? Oh yeah, 60. Okay, so pick a file. We number okay. Size, let's do 1. Wait, size of inside wrap. And we have to calculate this, right? And then we're taking it from our buffer. Yeah, buffers are really annoying to work with. Where'd it go? So this here. Yeah. Wait. Um, 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 um. What? Paranoid of getting a stroke. Because I played something for like, there's like someone else was playing music in the flat, and I got like a warning for that. I was like, spooked out. I haven't messed with buffers in a while, so I forgot how to do all my usual calculations. So how do I? Jesus Christ! I forgot completely how to. If so, I want to get the end of this. So if get text plus get end is equal to buffer max this thing, right? Oop. Oop. Oh, man. Man. What am I even doing? I should... Maybe I should make a game. Because that way at least I know my game will be unique. Because I don't think I made like one singular project where it was like unique when no one has done it. The game at least, you know, it's unique. Rah! Okay, sorry. So I'm trying to think of the best way of doing this. So I have a pointer. So I have this gap. I have this gap buffer that looks like this. and then gap thing but. So let's comment it. I want to write this guy here, but sometimes it can look like this, right? Or it can look like this. I know that there is an elegant way of handling all of these cases in one, but I'm too fucking stupid. I think I have to get the start for all of them, right? And then I do a check if the start is either start, and then I write till, but then the writing till the next thing is dependent. Fuck. Is there a nice way of doing this? I don't think there is. There has to be. Let me think about it a bit more. No. Okay, I'm just going to split them up into two cases like this. So I handle this one, where if... No, I'll split them off in three. This is stupid. So let's just do it like this. Let's do case one. I'll leave these comments here actually, because that it'll make it so much easier to understand. Whoop. There we go. Fucking geriatric I am. So let's do case one. Whoops. So we have this. So this is at the top. We do this always. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's do case one. Okay, so we got the start of the text, and then we write up until the gap start. So we do size t bytes to right is equal to buffer text plus I'm sorry now, gap start. Yeah. And then assume I'm doing that correctly. And then we do this thing is the plus buffer gap end. And then the text length is we had to calculate it this time. So we need to do we need to oh, sorry. So we need to do this plus this, I guess up until this, max I always forget what this is. Buffer max text bytes. Buffer max text bytes length. All right. Okay. So all we need to do is. Sorry, am I stupid? Am I? Yeah, no, I'm correct. So it's. I need to. Here we go. Buffer max text bytes minus buffer gap end. This returns a. What do you do again? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this one I need to check if buffer. Not equals 0 and buffer text plus gap buffer gap. Oh, sorry. If and buffer gap end is not equal to max text bytes length. Why is Yaku? What am I? Do I have something in my buffer? Hold on. Whoops. Yeah, I do. Lol. I need to find a way to move that. Boop. So that's case 1. Okay. If buffer gap start is equal to 0. That means we need to do let's copy you over. So instead we want to start writing at gap end. I guess it's this one, right? Whoops. Uh-huh. Okay. And let's add a comment for that. I'm gonna pass this through AI and tell me if there's a better way, because I'm pretty sure there is. This is disgusting. And then case 3. Gap and whoa. Oh, sorry, I don't need this. This is the only other case, I assume. Hopefully. What else? We put at start. And we write gap start amount of things. Out. Okay. Let's check with Kimmy. My good friend Kimmy. The implementation of all right, have at it. Ooh. Pretty sure I didn't miss anything. Nothing I think I might have got wrong is just these by one things. Or maybe just how I'm handling a read. I think this is correct. Sorry, fucking what? Was I using F read this entire time? Well, F right. Okay, I just need to change it to F right. That's fine. Yeah, I will find that. Hopefully, if it doesn't find that, it's fucking hilarious. F read, F right. Oh, there you go. It's simplifying it. Yep. Oh, whoops. I didn't do... Alright, calm down, Kimmy. Those are fine. Tell me the logic bugs, please. Undefined variable, those condition checks. Text bytes length. Whoops. actually give me useful things. Minor hull truncation. So everything was right? Checking 0 only captures total failure. You should verify if right wrote this expected number of elements. Oh. Okay. Cleaner. Much cleaner. Okay, let's see. Writes text for the bad case 3 and part of case 1. Yeah. Write text after the gap. Case 1 and 2. Alright, let's read this. So, buffer gap start is greater than 0. Buffer gap start is greater than 0. Okay, so it's this one and this one here. Text, buffer text, that means the start of it. That's char. 2 buffer gap start. Yep. And written is this thing. Good. Okay, good. 2 and 3. Okay. Buffer gap end is less than buffer max text bytes. Correct. Buffer text gap end. Buffer text minus gap start. Correct. That's what I did. And then it checks. Good. 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 So let's verify. Oof. Okay, let's add it to my debug thing. Debug. Actually, no, let's just make a bind. Let's just make a bind. Let's do. Sorry, we can take one of these actually. Whoops, did I just, yeah. Oh, I really need to move this to a YAML file soon. This is gonna get too hard. See, okay, we need to add S. No, okay, let's just add it to a debug bind for now. How is my debug bind called? Debug. Okay, key sim debug. It's called dump. Save buffer file. And I want you to call. This takes a pointer buffer. It's annoying. Debug. Say buffer. Oops. Contents to file. ID. Buffer ID. And the file path. Yeah. Good. Okay. So and lines. So this calls it. So debug save file. Don't I have current buffer dot buffer? Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, buffer save to file. So let's do get you. That buffer dump contents. Buffer save to file takes a file and it takes buffer ID. Sorry, what? Yeah. I wrote these parameters the wrong way around. This is not a good way of doing it. Ah, what are you doing? Yeah. What is this? And buffer ID dump to assert error not equal to sorry. Okay. Yeah. Does it compile? No. Almost. Should have trusted my mistake here. Use of undeclared doohickey. Alright. What was my debug bind? So that. I hit it. Fuck. Binds. What time is it? So I didn't work. CLK key debug. Curious. Is that? It's my debug. Did I fuck it up? Did I fuck it up here? Sorry, I can't do that. Lol. Okay. Key sim. Debug bind is after control left. Escape. What is escape? That'll work. I don't think I meant to do that. I think I fucked this up. This is wrong. Somewhere in the past I have not done this correctly. Wow. Boy. Okay. Down, left, right, equal, minus, backspace, left, row. Whoops. Yeah. This is backwards, right? These should be swapped. How did I fuck that up? How did I fuck that up? Pass. Window. Bar. Oh, it's bar. Oh, what is bar? What do I have? That. Bar. There you go. Oh, but no. No. Then what? It's fine here, right? Whoops. Huh. Oh, there's a viewer. That's annoying. Okay. I didn't mess that up in any way, right? I didn't. Yeah, it's right after count, so it should be at the last thing. To be honest, I should have a little message that shows me that I hit my debug bind, just so I don't have this problem. Let's just make it right arrow for now. Right arrow. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. I'm going to explode. Okay. What? Have I fucked up my bind? What is happening? Bind. Here we go. Bind keys. You know what? You know what? You know what? Okay. Okay. Around the. Yeah. Okay. Fuck it. Okay. Inputs len. Where's inputs len? Inputs len. Debug. Down. Esim. Debug. It's not working. I mean, that's not going to look as right as being big. Why is bar lowercase? Is that correct? Shouldn't it? Okay. Fuck it. Move you to bar. Move you to right. See if it's working. Okay, right's not working. And then bar works. What the fuck? I have debug mode enabled, right? Oh. Because I have a thing editor do binds. Oh. Editor do binds. This guy here. Okay, bind. My first bind is a debug bind. Alright, fuck it. Let's run the debugger. Sorry, wait, let's build. Yes. Break editor. 154. Okay, and bar, and bar, and bar, and bar, and bar is not fucking running. What? Fucking, this shit was working a second ago. Hello, one viewer. Hello. Maybe time to turn on the lights. This one blind the camera. Kinda. Do the other one. I think that's better. This is fucking infuriating. I mean, okay. Okay, something is happening, right? Because when I run a release, TBH. I should do something like this. And then in edit the simulate, I do if stick debug mode. I did it like that, right? Yeah. And then I do yeah, I do that. Oops. Then it doesn't become like a bind TB, to be honest. Choices. Whatever. I'm gonna just do it like this and see if it works. Whoops. What's the problem, officer? Is it declared below me? Oop. This is fucking stupid. I hate problems like this where it's just like not a problem of a problem. Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake. Should be unless there should be any details. So I don't need these two anymore, right? Because they're in the same file. Just gonna call this guy here. I hate when Emacs does this shit. Boop, boop. I need to turn off that. Please. Save the master. I'm so close to just doing void style. Like I don't care. To be honest, all of my utility stuff should go at the bottom. Bro, fucking Emacs is trolling me today. What are you complaining about now? Okay. You're allowed to complain about that. Honey. It's not seeing. Oh, it's because of my fucking keyboard. You know what? You know what? It's because of my keyboard. Because I have a fancy thing. Maybe it's that. No. No. That was too optimistic. What is a better debug key than pipe? Is this guy? I think we can do backslash. I think that'd be a little bit better. Let's do that. Because I have this thing where I hold down my escape key to give me shift. Which this thing doesn't like. So let's see if I can guess it. Backslash. Fucking nailed it. It's not working though. Backslash is thing about forward fucking slashing? Okay, what is this? Semicolon? Semicolon. I'm fine. I'm fine. Why the fuck was this working before? It's probably something I did in my binds migration. I thought this was gonna be a quick change. This is fucking stupid. El stupido. Okay. Okay. Make debug. Semicolon. Semicolon is not typing, right? If I run it in release, semicolon should be typing. Yeah. So it is doing something. Right? It has to be. like, like, if I remove this, yeah, so this is running. This guy here is running. This guy here is definitely consuming it, right? So my guess it's just failing here. It's failing here, ain't it? Must be. Am I doing this input? Wait a minute. No. No, no. Boss. Okay. Okay. Fucking debugger. Let's move the debugger again. Editor.c line 203, 204. 204. Run. Boy, that's where I want to breakpoint. Oh, it's this fucking or this. It's this it's this dastardly this guy here. Okay. I'm using it correctly, right? Yeah. Three. Oh. Why that? Boy. Oops. Dude, what is happening? What the fuck? This is why I don't like using macros sometimes. You get these type of errors, type of things. Debuggers really fucking hate it. Hate macros. Huh? I'm not sure what this is doing. Whoops, make format. Okay, make build debug. Oops, what's wrong here? unexpected expression. We probably what? Let's see, 5. Okay. It's fucking. Ugh. Got yeah. Got so mad I got a cramp. Okay. Okay, let's see. All right. You know what? You know what? You know what it could be? Oh, okay, okay. I need to add a setting in Emacs to automatically update. That is fucking horrendous. The problem was that I did not update my diet buffer. Emacs auto update diet buffer. That is fucking stupid. That is mad stupid. That. Alright, it works. It works. It works. Why is debug down not working though? Looks to be working. Actually, let's. Ooh. And then we move in the middle like this, and then we have the debug. We close, and then we do this. Go back. We update the buffer. Yes, and that looks correct. Let's quickly check. Whoops. Oop. Starts at ASD. Yeah, I think that's correct. That looks correct to me. Okay. Okay. It's solved now. Be calm. That is horrendous. That was such a fucking goose chase. Oh, God. Okay, let's just use... Why do I have a million... Did I not commit these changes? I swear I did. I must have done it a while ago. Okay, whatever. Whoops, I should have committed those changes earlier then. Let's unstage this guy. And let it update. Let it update. There we go. So, I thought I only undid the hunk. You should have only undid the hunk. um, actually, that's right off this function. That's right off this thing. Include stdio etch int main void. Oops. Tab. Printf hello world. Oh yeah, I undid that, and then I don't have semicolon. Return 0. Don't have semicolon again. And let's delete these 2 lines and save, and see what we are looking at now. Oh, I need to truncate the file. Yes, yeah, because I'm pretty sure that's because yeah. Let's do that. Is there a command for that? Pretty sure there is. There we go. Let's go buffer. F truncate. There it is. Okay. Why the skip does it take a file path? Do I not understand how truncate works? Or reference by FD truncated size per se. Okay. I guess we're using this one. Sorry, that's not what we want. We want the function. That's stupid. There's another way we can do it, and that's with right plus. Okay. C19 open file to right and truncate. My eyes. F truncate a file opened with F open. Right no plus. Okay, let's try that. So let's do that, and then let's, I guess we'll go like that. Oh, oh yeah, I have some bugs there. Okay, include stdio. So I have to do that, and then save, I guess. Yeah. Include stdio fetch and main void. Okay, whatever. Let's do that. What the fuck? It's there. That is a bitch to reproduce. You know what? Let's just keep that open and then that's no good. Uh, 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 uh. I'm not sure what's happening. Um, do I have close? I don't close. Well, well, you know how it'd be. You know how it'd be. Um, Whoops. Fuck's sake, man. Fuck's sake. God. Okay. Well, let's move you to that. Send you off and contents. Oop. There you are. So now let's delete everything. Yeah. Yeah. Oops. And then let's open up our contents file again. Okay. New thing, we have to find a way to open it with W. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think that's it then. Man, I always forget this shit every time. Alright. Let's commit and then fucking, I don't know, jump off a bridge into water, probably. Okay. Whoops. I did not know I didn't commit it. I really thought I did commit this. Alright. So I always paranoid that my format will fail. So, alright. I really need to auto do that because I spam that too much. Why are you like this? Stage on. Commit. Save contents to file info. Changes. Some includes internal memory. Internal to whoops. Internal. Okay, I think that is the stuff for today. Project's getting a bit too big, I can't lie. How little I've done. Damn, good text editors take a lot of work actually. Yeah, my shit, I have done almost nothing. Maybe C isn't the correct language for this. Maybe, well, whatever. Alright. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh.